I launched my first digital product 4 years ago, and I'm working on updating and relaunching it soon. So if you've been sitting on your first or next idea for a while, today's video is your sign to get started so you can show your skills and expertise to your audience and gain some extra income on autopilot. My number one goal is to help you keep it simple, because the harder you make it, the longer it'll take to launch. So I'll walk you through my quick, simple, and somewhat organized creation process so you can get some ideas. Some examples of products you can sell are ebooks, swipe files, templates, themes, online courses, stock photos, an intro course. So this is a course for your clients to get before they book a service with you. There's also fonts and icons, planners, and printables. You can also do what I did and mix up to add value by creating a toolkit. Last time I had swipe files, courses, templates, and guides all bundled up into one. Your main goal for this is to solve a problem, whether it's to save or make money or save time. So think about how you can help your audience to do that. Some other questions to ask are, what problem does it solve? What are the features and benefits of using this? Do you have proof that it works? So results from either you or your clients. And lastly, how much will it cost? I'm offering a low-cost item and keeping it under $30, but yours can be anywhere between $5 to $100 or more. Now, because my toolkit is sort of outdated, I wanted to add some other things to it to keep it fresh. So for this, I use ChatGPT for brainstorming. The prompt you can use is, I am your role for your audience, and I help them the problem that you solve, and then ask what are some digital products I can sell to make passive income, like templates or crash courses. You could fill in whatever product you want to create, and then list the tools that you use. So for mine, I'm a content manager for YouTubers and podcasters. What are some digital products I can sell, like Notion templates or crash courses? The tools I use are Notion, WordPress, YouTube, Substack. So it listed templates, courses, kits, newsletter ideas, ebooks, and graphic packs. For you, it could be Canva templates for non-designers or CapCut tutorial for beginners. Another idea is, if you have a popular YouTube video that you can expand on, you can use that idea. A pro tip, if you want to create a course or ebook, you can check out Amazon for ideas and check out the chapters and use that as an outline. Also check the comments and reviews for feedback to see if there was anything missing from the ebook. Once you figure out what to create, try asking your audience if it's something they'll be interested in, because you don't want to do all the work and no one buys. Before I launched, I shared my idea with my ideal customers on Twitter and my email list and got a few responses that basically said, yes, this product will be helpful for them. So I created a MVP, a minimum viable product, and shared it with those who replied. And this is so I can quickly create it and do a soft launch and then get feedback. I put it up on PayHip first and then created a page on my website. In this video, I share where you can sell your items. You can try these platforms like Buy Me Coffee, Substack, Gumroad, PayHip, Card, or ConvertKit. In that video, you'll also find tools you can use to create your product or screen record if you're adding videos. On these platforms, make sure you add images of the item or a video walkthrough and list the benefits, the outcome, plus any testimonials if you have any. So after you created and launched your product, it's time to promote it. You add this to your YouTube description in the first line, or publish the video walkthrough on your channel and keep it as the featured video, and then add the link to the video in the description, and also add it as a call to action for your end screen. If you have a link in bio, you could add it on that link in bio page. And for Pinterest, you can create a pin that has the screenshots of the product with a how-to title and link it to your product page. I did this my first week and got my first sale post-launch within 24 hours. And for my last tip, hopefully you don't spend too much time creating this. Keep this process super simple so you can quickly launch, and then ask for feedback from customers so you can improve it as you go. Watch this video here for more free to low-cost tools for freelancers on a budget.